Take a ride in the 2018 3500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.